Hey, how's it going YouTube? My name is Damit. If any of you guys new to this channel, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy this. And the channel just passed 500 subs. Everyone who subscribed, thank you so much. Without further ado, just dive in. This is my wife's 2007 Nissan Sentra and it has a bad motor mount. I picked up the replacement motor mount from Rock Auto for $21.99. Here's part number if you're interested. By the way, this is not a sponsored video. First I use a jack and jack stands to secure the car. First I remove the first and the second bolt and loosen up the third bolt, so you can move the metal bracket away when you reinstalling the new mount. Well, if you're into taking notes, these bolts are 18mm and I use a breaker bar and an 18mm socket to remove these bolts. The shorter bolt faces the engine side and the longer bolt faces towards the rear of the car. However, in my case, longer bolt was the hardest to remove because of the rust. Installation of the new mount is pretty easy, it's just a reversal of the removal process. Whenever you're done, just double check your work and you're done. Once again, thank you so much for watching. All the links in the description. Like always, share, subscribe, comment down below. I will see you next time.